Welcome to the launch page. Here we're going to take you through the step-by-step process that has been proven over and over and over again to have success. And one of the first things that we were told when we came into this industry was, do not try to reinvent the wheel. Follow the processes, the systems that are already in place that have been shown to work.
Yeah, exactly. I just remember saying, we have no idea what we're doing. We've never done anything like this before. We know how to work hard. We know how to do that, but we don't have the first clue about any of this. And so our mentors and our family within this company said, just follow the system, follow the proven plan, follow the blueprint, and be coachable. Yeah. Reach out to us, and we're going to go through this step by step by step by step, not alone.
Yeah, so really take the time to go through these initial steps to set up your business properly from the get-go. I promise you that's going to be a lot easier than 4 months down the road, realizing that you should have done these steps up front. So this will take you through setting up your business, launching it, and then the action items behind that as well, too.
Yes, it's going to be so worth it. When you said that, I was having flashbacks of when I first started and before I actually reached out to everybody because I was so passionate, so excited. I definitely did everything wrong, but that's okay. I had a lot of passion and excitement for the business, but this would have been nice to have right away.
So let's launch your business. Let's get started now.
Yes.